TNT Shinseken, Agent Screamer, Kick Up, and the Destroyer.
Hello, this is WWK Superstar TNT here with an important message. We are strange, professional in a real wrestling ring. Don't try this at home.
This is WWK Entertainment from the trampoline.
Oh, welcome to WWK. I am William
Entertainment.
I stand.
Okay, so we have this title match.
Yes, we have.
Yes, with Shinseken and the Destroyer, and the first thing is Shinseken.
Aries broke his face and bumped his face very hard.
Yes, that was good. Do you know? Who do you think gonna win tonight?
I think maybe the Destroyer could win.
Okay, I think Shinseken gonna win.
Okay.
Okay, and now we have the Destroyer. What do you think about the Destroyer? What do you want him to win?
He's a very good fighter. He's cunning with many tricks and very much.
You mean wrestling moves, right? Okay. And you watch on this can follow us on. You know, we have a Facebook app right now, and we have our homepage and a Facebook page too.
That is we have many people who like our videos and just going to see.
Okay, so we are in the match. They do now kicking at the Destroyer takes that TNT. No,
She can destroy opposite. She can crawling it. Where are the drummer now?
the referee is not in here. You mean?
No, he's not in here.
Yes. So Shinseken is now getting kicked by the Destroyer. Yes.
Yes.
Yes. So yeah, and this is a very good title match. Do you think that?
Yes, it's very good. It's two big champions. It's very good fight with them.
You mean they both have a good career and stuff like that?
Yes.
That is good. So we also have fan page for everyone, like Shinseken and the Destroyer, and so TNT there, and other people like that.
Yes.
Yeah, that is good. What do you like with WWK?
It's very fun. It's kids and fights. And we be Ace Fox Fighters Fox.
Yes. Yes. So, do you think we need a referee in every matches, or just something?
I think we need something matches.
Okay. Let us see who win. I think maybe Destroyer gonna lose right now. Maybe.
Now he's coming back. He's Shinseken is warming. His Destroyer is warming up.
Okay. Nobody has been in the top ropes in this match, and why do you think that?
Because he's very Vance Collector coming up is very good. Fires
2, 3.
Yes, and this, if you think this was not a interview, but yeah, the winner of this match is Destroyer, and you have right, Stein.
Yes,
Goodbye. I was William.
and I was Diane. Have a good night.